Okay, on display here, we're looking at the HOVERAir. This is an 8K self-flying camera. Take a look at that thing. It's got a pretty beefy cage that protects the blades on here. This is the battery that it comes with. It's got a slot for 2 different batteries, and then of course a carrying pouch right there. Now the claim to fame with this thing is you open it up, and you can launch it in seconds. And then you choose from 12 different pro flight modes, and those flight modes are like follow, dolly track, slide track, bird's eye, zoom out, ski mode, cycle mode, snapshot, hover, of course manual. You can fly up to 26 miles per hour, capture everything in 8K, and then you can sync everything to your phone and share your adventures. There's some more of the quick start guides on it. I'll pause that and get some of the specifics. But pretty neat concept for as far as drone cameras. Now this is the price at a local Costco store right now for an 8K drone. The HOVERAir 8K self-flying camera. Hopefully this gives you guys a better idea of what to expect if you're in the market to buy this cool little gadget.